Today we are going to learn English grammar joining words. Joining words means the words that help us in joining words or sentences. Let's see which are the joining words. They are and, but, or, because. The words and but help us to join sentences. And is used to join two words or two or more parts of a sentence. For example, bat and ball, book and pen, table and chair. And let's see how do we join two sentences by adding and. Maya loves bananas, Girish loves mangoes. Maya loves bananas and Girish loves mangoes. I fell, I started to cry. I fell and I started to cry. We use joining word but to show a difference or opposite ideas. For example, Rahul is tall, Tarun is short. So these are two opposite sentences. So let's see how do we join these sentences by using but. Rahul is tall but Tarun is short. Fire is hot, ice is cold. Fire is hot but ice is cold. Next joining word is or. We use or to show a choice between two things. For example, do you want coffee? Do you want tea? So let's see how do we join these sentences by using or. Do you want coffee or tea? You can take the blue shirt. You can take the green shirt. You can take the blue shirt or the green shirt. So we use or to show a choice between two things. Next joining word is because. We use because to give a reason for an action. For example, I cannot play outside, it is raining. So let's see how can we join these two sentences by using because. I cannot play outside because it is raining. I don't want to play outside. It is very dark. I don't want to play outside because it is very dark. Now let's see how do we join sentences by using and, but, or because. My mother loves watching films, but I like reading. So these are two opposite sentences. Summers are hot and sunny. I study every day because I want to do well in class. You can stay at home or come out to play with me. So hope you have understood how do we use the joining words and, but, because, or in sentences. All of you read this chapter carefully and do your exercises. That's all for today. Thank you.